In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and add custom emotes to your Kik. So what we want to do first is go into Kik, go to your dashboard, and then go to community and emotes. So here you can see all the different slots to put your emotes in, and you can see you have tons of them, way more compared to Twitch. So now you can add them here. They need to be 500 by 500 pixels. They must not exceed that, sorry, and they must not exceed 1 megabyte. Now, how do you make them? So one easy free way to do it is to go onto Canva, and at the top you can type in emotes, and it's going to come up with Twitch emotes here. So you want to click on that one. Now what you can do is go down here, see the ones that you like. Let's say cute frog here. You can customize the template, and then you can go in here and you can just mess around and design them in the way that you want to. So here you can change the colors of these ones. Alternatively, you can go into elements, and I think you can type in emotes, Twitch emote, and there's going to be lots of different graphics that you can add here. But basically you can just fiddle around with all of these elements and you can make some pretty cool ones. Then once you're ready, you can share and you can export them. So you can export the individual ones, or you can share the whole thing as a whole. Then you want to go over here, go to add, click here, and then you can add in your emote. That one's too big, that one's right, so this one here, you need to put a name on it, so check, add it, and boom, the emote's there for people to use. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.